Good morning, Bobcats. It's a wonderful Tuesday to talk about being together. Last week when I came to you, we were examining our Bobcat leadership principles. We talked about bringing our best and owning our mistakes. Today, the principle we're going to talk about, you could argue might be the most important right now. Currently, keeping distance from each other, 6 feet, wearing masks, which covers up our smiles and our facial expressions, are ways that we're keeping ourselves safe during this pandemic. It also can be ways that can make us feel disconnected. We are learning over the computer and we're not around each other all of the time. Boy, I know I sure miss all of you. One thing Mr. Fletcher and it's our job to do is to make sure we are continuously finding ways during these challenging times to build your teachers up and build up the staff at Ballinger Creek to make sure that they know they're supported and they can be their best for you. So today I wanted to ask you, how are you building each other up? Are you finding opportunities to chat with your classmates, to tell them something encouraging, to maybe support your families or your parents that might need help? Have you told your teacher recently thank you for all the ways they're making school fun and inviting, even over the computer? Boys and girls, kindness can change someone's day for the better, no matter what might be happening in their lives. And so now more than ever, I challenge you, how are you building each other up? And I know one day you would love to be on the other end of that. So between now and next week, I want you to reach out to someone specifically and try to build them up. Tell them something kind, offer something for them, and then let me know what you've done because I would love to highlight that on the morning announcements. You can send me an email at megan.stein@fcps.org. You can tell your teacher so they can reach out to me with your building each other up gesture. You could have your family send me a tweet. Any creative way to report how you meaningfully built up another one of your fellow Bobcats, I would love to highlight on these morning announcements. Boys and girls, have a fabulous Together Tuesday. I wish you a successful day. Know that we miss you and we love you, and we'll see you soon.